Hey everyone, are you tired of your car stereo sounding dull and lifeless? Are you using an Android car stereo but not satisfied with its sound quality? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Android car stereo sound better using some simple sound settings. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon to learn something new. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first step to improving your Android car stereo sound quality is by adjusting the equalizer settings. Most Android car stereos comes with a built-in equalizer which allows you to adjust the sound frequencies to your liking. Simply go to the Equalizer app and look for the sound or audio section. From there, you can adjust the bass, treble, mid-range and other frequencies until you find the perfect balance. Another simple way to make your Android car stereo sound better is by turning on the loudness feature. This feature boosts the low and high frequencies, which can help enhance the overall sound quality of your car stereo. You can usually find this option in the equalizer settings menu. If you want to take your Android car stereo sound quality to the next level, you can try using sound enhancements apps. These apps use advanced algorithms to analyze and improve the sound quality of your car stereo. Some popular sound enhancements apps include Viper for Android, Equalizer FX, etc. If you have tried all the methods and are still not satisfied with the sound quality of your Android car stereo, it may be the time to consider upgrading your car speakers. Installing high quality speakers can make a world of difference in the sound quality of your car stereo, and there are many options available to fit different budgets. That's it for this quick video. By adjusting the equalizer settings, turning on the loudness feature, using sound enhancements apps, and upgrading your car speakers, you can make your Android car stereo sound better than ever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.